This concept is about building the Yamaha Y16 with design monster energy of MotoGP. This is a SuperMoped customized for a customer from the United States, featuring of the Yamaha Y16 with ARM Ducati Hypermotard and the mono of Ducati Panigale. Yes, the mono is on the left side, and we followed Ducati's DNA completely in creating this SuperMoped. The fork used is the Öhlins fork from the R1, along with calipers of R1M and rims of Ducati. The tires used are Michelin Road 6. This bike used our K520 chain and a specially custom sprocket that extended by 35mm to ensure alignment between the front and rear sprockets and a straight chain. In addition to this, to ensure sprocket stability, we custom-made a sprocket adapter for it. The number of this design is 21, which is the number of rider Franco Morbidelli in Team Monster Energy Yamaha. What makes this bike special? It's the combination of turbo and VVA. We used an RHB31 turbo for this bike. Due to this is a one-cylinder engine, and we didn't use an intercooler to avoid turbo lag. We custom-made a hose in the clutch casing. Let engine oil to enter turbo. At the bottom, we also custom-made a hose for engine oil to return. The intake and exhaust piping are all custom-made to ensure smooth flow during dyno testing. This turbo reached a maximum output pressure of 1 bar. Additionally, our SPD racing seat has a bulge which imitates the fuel tank of a superbike, allowing us to support our leg during braking and cornering to enhance the riding experience. Of course, safety is a crucial aspect of this SuperMoped. To use the side mono, we see NC machined a bracket by using the principle of leverage perfectly so that it can function effectively. The position of the side mono has been calculated to ensure safety and functionality. The length of bike from 6 feet increased to 6 feet 6 not only because the arm longer, but also because we extended the SuperMoped by 3 inches. This was done to match the tire spacing with a superbike, making it better appearance while also balancing the front to rear weight ratio for a better riding experience. Thus, a uniquely charismatic and sporty SuperMoped was born. Thank you all for watching. Up next, let me showcase some photos of this bike for you.